there.
Let's go. So that no.
Look.
Here.
Yeah.
What the? He's going. All right. See, look at it. She's getting worse and worse. You need to make your bed, yo.
Plateau.
Look at this mess. Your mama's gonna charge you up. Your mama gonna charge you up. Yeah, the breakers all acting up and stuff. Some about the breakers in the room.
Come on, take a look at it again.
Man, I bet my hair look crazy. Her hair look crazy.
Hey guys, come here.
Plateau. She said you gonna get a bath.
Yep, right now.
Hey guys, look.
Where you at, pretty? Oh, there you go. What's up, pretty? Oh, you just had to get in the way, didn't you?
Guys, come in here. Look.
I bet everybody's out of some sort of power.
Guys, so.
Man. Alright. Lights looking here. Oh, yeah, that's all I was gonna do. I'm distracted.
You're attractive.
Here, Plateau.
Do you even know what distracted is?
Come on. Here.
Do you know what distraction is?
I mean, I don't know.
Oh, he ran into the pole almost. Ping!
Here,
You
Plateau.
crazy boy. So, did you try to break her again for the bathroom?
No.
Me
Come on,
either.
Plateau.
I guess I got to do it. Hold on, let me see if I can work this flashlight torch on. Alright, let's see. Which one goes to the bathroom? The kitchen, microwave, this bedroom, the bedroom tripping, the dryer, stove, furnace. What does the WH mean?
W.
It don't mean no wide hussy, but I don't know. Microwave, kitchen, DW. What the heck? Oh, there go bath. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Did it work? Did it work? Go try the bathroom light.
The bathroom light?
Yeah. Did it work? No. Did it work? Try again.
Okay. Nope.
Alright. That sucks. What the heck? See, that one turned on, but see, look, it'll probably like snap.
It works. It works in the bathroom now.
Well, I hope so.
It do. I turn on the
Jeez
light.
Louise.
I turn on the light.
Let's watch. Let's see. So, Plateau, I'm getting a bath, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I can see your eyes glowing. Plateau, I can see your eyes. Let me see your eyes glowing. What's
Yeah.
up, bro?
What's up?
Yeah, you shining. I see you. I see that necklace blinking.
Better me.
I,